Speaking of Samsung, my goodness, this laptop they showed off. You see, this is some of the interesting stuff I'm talking about. South Korea. This thing, the Blade Bezel, this is what I want. This is unbelievable. This is what I need. I'm talking, look at how aggressive that is. The bezel is barely there. It's a 93% screen-to-body ratio on a laptop. Now, maybe this image kind of accentuates it further, but you can click play on the video, and you can see them show off just how advanced this new design is. Now, you're going to have an OLED display on there, which is also very nice, and it's going to be lighter weight because of it, and it's probably the technology that allows for the entire package to be so slim and that slim bezel. The other thing they did, they had to hide the camera under the display, so it's an invisible camera hole. They call it under-panel camera. This is the thing we've seen in smartphones. Probably going to see it sometime soon in a Samsung smartphone.
Yes.
See how I said
Samsung. Are you Tim Cook now?
It was just the way the sentence went together there, the timing of it. It just fit that way. That was fun.
Yeah.
So you'll probably see it in a upcoming S series, S22 or something, where they'll actually pack the camera under the display because they're playing around with the idea on this new Blade Bezel. Is that what they're calling it? Blade Bezel, which is interesting because Razer has the Blade laptop. Anyway, crazy thin, crazy light, and the whole lid is display. Now, I don't know when this thing actually ships. Of course, this is part of CES 2021. They say it's 50% thinner than conventional laptops. They reduced the width from 2.1 millimeter to 1 millimeter. That's the display portion. One of the lightest laptops within Samsung's catalog, 30% lighter than laptops of the same size. So that's something to look forward to out of South Korea.